So hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to clean your windows. So it's very important as one of the final steps when you're done detailing or washing your car. You want to make sure your windows are spotless. It's going to give it that ultimate final detailed look. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I mentioned, today I'm going to show you all the steps to properly clean your windows. So you're done washing your car or you've detailed it for many hours on end. One of the final steps will be to make sure that your glass is spotless, is squeaky clean, and we're also going to give it a protective touch because that's very important as it's one of the final detailing touches that sets your car apart from all the others. So the steps are pretty simple and you need a very minimal amount of products and equipment or tools to do the right job. And by the way, I'll leave the links in the description under the video for all the products and tools that I'm going to present today. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. By the way, guys, today's video is sponsored by Obsessed. So that's OBSSSSD. And they're makers of premium car detailing products, which by the way, I reviewed on my channel. So if you haven't watched it yet, make sure that you watch the video. I'll leave the link up here and I'll also drop the link to that video in the description under the video so you guys can watch it at a later time. But essentially, they make some awesome products and many of them have won a couple of prizes in my annual car detailing products awards video. So we'll talk a bit more about some other awesome products that they have in their lineup a bit later in the video. But essentially what you'll need is pretty simple. So you'll need a premium glass cleaner like this Obsessed glass cleaner. You'll then need a clay lubricant like the Obsessed clay lube. We'll then need a clay bar. So some detailing clay like we use for the paint. So we're going to use the same style for the windows. After that, you're going to need quality microfiber towels. So we have two types that we'll use, both from the Rag company. So the first one is this premium Korean glass towel. Now this is a herringbone pattern, so it's a very short nap. Some of you might also call it corduroy. So this is for the initial wipe and cleaning of the glass. And then for the final wipe and buff of the windows, we're gonna have the Rag company's waffle weave glass towel. So waffle weave because of the pockets here, very absorbent. Once we're done cleaning, claying the windows, we're also gonna add a bit of pop and gloss and a bit of protection with a spray wax, kind of like this Meguiar's Express synthetic spray wax. So it's gonna give a bit of pop and gloss to the windows, but ultimately also make them easier to wash during maintenance washes. So all of this is pretty simple and we're gonna go through all the steps together. And by the way, again, I wanna give a big shout out to Troy and to the Obsessed team for making this video possible. All right, so let's go ahead with step number one. So we're gonna take our premium Korean microfiber towel and we're gonna take our premium glass cleaner. Now, a bit of details on this glass cleaner. Well, of course, it's ammonia free, so it's safe on tinted windows, but it's streak free. Now, this is very important. You guys have probably seen your window streak when you use a glass cleaner. This one does not leave any streaks. You can even use it in direct sunlight and it's still fine. It's made for medium to light duties. So of course, if your glass is overly filthy with a lot of grease and smoke, you'll want to use a more powerful cleaner or maybe even a magic eraser and an all-purpose cleaner to start off the job and to make sure to remove all that big grease and grime. But for any light to medium duty, this is a perfect product for that. So we're going to use the box method to clean windows. So let me bring you guys in. What we're going to do is we're going to spray the glass cleaner generously on the glass. And the box method is you do the four corners of your window first, and then you go up and down, and then left to right on your glass. So this is our initial wipe, just to make sure that we removed the majority of the gunk that's on the window. And of course, even on a clean car like mine, as you can hopefully tell by the towel, well, you're always going to get still a bit of dirt. So then we move on to the claying stage. So we're going to use a clay bar and clay lubricant. So we're going to spray a bit of the clay lube directly onto the clay bar. And then you're going to spray generously the clay lubricant on the glass. And you go ahead and clay the glass. This is going to remove any industrial fallout or maybe some embedded contaminants, even some iron particles that might be in the glass. So this way you get a very silky smooth and glass-like feel. Of course, that's what we want, right? From glass. So this is as clean as you can get, and it's going to make the surface very slick. So again, up and down and left to right. Hopefully you can hear all the contaminants through the mic being picked up. So once you're done with that, again, you come with your towel to mop up behind yourself. Make sure you remove all that stuff. We're going to go ahead and again use the glass cleaner. Spray that generously. Do the box method. So do the four corners and then up and down and left to right. So that's the initial wipe. And now with our secondary microfiber towel, which is a waffle weave, we're going to go ahead and remove and finally buff off the glass. Now this is silky smooth to the touch. Yep, there's no contamination left. So you can feel that with your fingers. And then as a final touch, we're going to apply a bit of protection to the glass, as I said, with the Meguiar's Express Synthetic Spray Wax. So you do a couple of spritz. You can apply this even in direct sunlight. There are no problems. It's also good for plastic trim. And again, the same thing, the box method, up and down and left to right. And that's it. The glass is now super clean, silky smooth, and you can feel that protection on the window. So that's pretty awesome. And that's it. We're done, guys. That's how you properly clean automotive glass. Yeah, and essentially it's pretty much the same steps if you want to do this on your windshield. And there's maybe a slight difference because you can also add a glass sealant or a ceramic coating for your windshield. By the way, I made sure to make a video on how to properly clean your windshield up here, so you can check the video at a later time. I'll also include that video in the description down below for you guys to check it out. So essentially that was properly cleaning glass, and that's how you get your last pop and that last bit of touch to give it that ultimate detailed look and to set you apart from everyone else. So that's how you professionally clean automotive windows. So among the new products in the Obsessed line, well, we used their new glass cleaner. This is a premium glass cleaner that's amazing to use. They also have leather care products that are new in their lineup. So of course you have their leather cleaner. Now all their leather care products are easy on, easy off formulas. This will clean your leather and still be very gentle. So you're going to remove all that grease and grime and the body oils before you go ahead and apply some sort of protection like their leather conditioner. Now the cool thing about this is it helps, of course, to prolong the life of your leather, and it keeps it looking fresh. And of course it gives it that silky smooth feel and touch to your leather. So these are great premium products. And of course, they have so many different ones, but today we also use their clay lube. They have many grades of detailing clay. So this is the ultra fine one that I like to use for glass, but they have fine, medium, and more coarse versions as well. They have great wheel cleaners like this wheel cleaner, super effective and super safe for any finish. They have shampoos, of course, which you can also use as a pre-wash foaming soap with your foam cannon and pressure washer. So double duties on that shampoo. They have a great quick detailer. This works great, gives it that nice pop and silky smooth to the paint. Now from their products that won some of my awards, well, there's their awesome paint seal. This is a synthetic paint sealant. Durability anywhere from 6 months all the way up to a full year. So this is the real deal as far as paint protection goes. And for those who want the ultimate wax, well, there's this luxury show wax. So it's a carnauba and super high grade wax made by Swiss Wax specifically for Obsessed. And this gives you gloss, gloss, and more gloss. I used this in one of my videos where I showed people how to apply wax to a vehicle. This is truly high quality stuff. So if you have a vehicle that you love and you want that ultimate pop and shine, well, you can use something like their carnauba wax from Obsessed. So make sure you go ahead and check the video that I made on my channel for all their lineup of products, because they have tons and tons of quality premium detailing products. So again, I want to give a big shout out to Troy over at Obsessed for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. I'll make sure, again, guys, to include all the links to the products and tools in the description down below for you guys to check them out. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If so, smash the thumbs up button to show me your support. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll never miss my future videos because you'll subscribe to my channel. I release new videos every week, and this is one of the biggest car detailing channels on YouTube. So go ahead and browse through my 300+ video catalog. And well, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.